Student, now question number 4. If A dot B equal to 0 and A plus B makes an angle 60 degree with A, then so here A dot B equal to 0. Solution 4. And A plus B dot A equal to mod A plus B mod A cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. It is A dot A plus A dot B or B dot A equal to mod A plus B mod A into 1 by 2. This result is 0. It is mod A square equal to mod A plus B mod A into 1 by 2. Now is cancel out. From this we will get 2 into mod A equal to mod A plus B. Now make the square of this. So it is 4 mod A square equal to, there is a mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 into mod A dot B. A dot B. Since A dot B is 0, so from this it is 3 mod A square equal to mod B square plus this result is 0. From this we will get root 3 mod A equal to mod B, and D option is correct. Now question number 5. If A equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and B is a vector such that A dot B equal to mod B square and mod A minus B vector equal to root 7, then mod B is what? See the solution. Let us take the square of mod A minus B. It is 7. There is a mod A square plus mod B square minus 2 A dot B, which is 7. Since mod A equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, it is root 14. So there is 14 plus mod B square minus 2 into mod B square. A dot B is mod B square equal to 7. Then minus mod B square equal to minus 7 is 7 and minus 14 cancel. From this we will get mod B equal to root 7, and A option is correct here. Now question 6. If A vector is lambda I minus 7j cap plus 3k cap, B vector lambda I cap plus j cap plus 2 lambda k cap, then the angle between A and B is greater than 90. Then lambda satisfies the inequality. See the solution. 6. Since angle between A and B is greater than 90, theta is greater than 90 degree. Let angle is theta. Angle between A vector and B vector is theta, and this theta is greater than 90. Therefore, cos 90 or cos theta is less than 0, is negative. Since cos theta is A dot B upon mod A into mod B less than 0. This implies that A dot B less than 0. And A dot B is lambda square. A dot B is a formula A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So it is lambda square minus 7 plus 6 lambda less than 0. From this, we will get lambda common, lambda plus 7 minus lambda minus 1, lambda plus 7 less than 0. And we will get factor lambda plus 7 and lambda minus 1 less than 0. This result is negative. So let us see is a logic of inequality. The values of lambda is minus 7, let there is 1. So lambda is, the result is, there are two conditions, lambda plus 7 greater than 0, then lambda minus 1 less than 0. From this lambda is less than 1 and lambda is greater than minus 7. Lambda is greater than minus 7 and less than 1. So, let there is 1. Here, condition, the inequality lie between these 2 points and lambda is less than 1 greater than minus 7 and A option is correct here.